Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. And today we are treating graphs of linear inequalities. We have just 2 questions on the board. We are to sketch the graph of the following inequalities. The first one, x is greater than -2. Second, y is less than or equal to 8. Solution. Solution. So the first one, we are trying to plot the graph of x is greater than -2. If x is greater than -2, it means that the region or the values under this is x equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, if we are to indicate it in a number line, this is how it should be. So we have 0, this -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Sorry, I made a mistake here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So if we are to indicate it on a number line, this is -2. Now, we are not going to shade this because x is greater than -2. That means x cannot take the value of -2. So arrow will go like this. And that is x greater than -2. X greater than -2. So, but for us to plot it on a graph, we indicate by having our x and y axis. Okay, this is our 0. This is 1, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then for here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This one -1, -2, -3, and so on. So for us to now indicate the region, or for us to plot this on this graph, remember that x must take values from -2. -2 is not there. So draw your line, and the line must be broken line. So we have this. It's broken line because -2 is not part of it. And where do we have the values greater than -2? It is this side. So this is the region containing values x is greater than -2. So that is about question number 1. So we're now going over to question number 2. as I have explained everything, and you can see the region required. So the region required is where I have shaded. I've also explained why it is broken line. It's broken line because -2 is not part of the numbers or the part of the region we are looking for. So this is question number 1. We are now going over to question number 2. Okay, question number 2, we have y is less than or equal to 8. Less than or equal to means that you start from that particular number. And that means that y should be equal to, you take the values, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, continue. That is along y axis. And if we are to represent it on a number line, it's still the same thing. That is, if you have this, for instance, you have it like this, for instance, where you have 0, or maybe we should just use the same x to avoid the confusion. Let's leave it like that. So if you have to use this is 1, 2, and so on. So let us quickly go and represent it on a graph. So if I have this, this is y-axis, positive, then negative. Negative y, positive y. So we are talking of y less than or equal to 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9. Okay. Then -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now, if I want to sketch this here, what I'm going to do, I'll come to this place, put my line, this is, remember that this is 8, then these are the values. So, and all these values fall below, start from 8 and then below 8. So this is the area you are talking about. And so on. So this is the area containing the values along y-axis. And that is the solution to question number 2. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it in the next video. Thank you.